Hey guys, this is Gordon. I just want to show you how to make a GHK G5 mag fit on a Vipertech body with ease. So what you want to do with a filer is you want to sand down or file down this area right here. All you need is 5 to 10 passes back and forth. 5 to 10 on this side and 5 to 10 just right on the top here like this. Now when you're done, the front requires just a tiny bit of sanding, maybe 5 passes back and forth, just like that. Your result should be a very easy fitting GHK G5 mag. There you have it. If this video helped you, please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.